Can I unmute a muted contact on WhatsApp?
Hello viewers. Today, we're diving into a common query many WhatsApp users have. How do I unmute a muted contact on WhatsApp? Stay with me as we walk through the simple steps to do this.
Why would you mute a contact?
Before we jump into the process, let's understand why one might mute a contact. There could be a variety of reasons. Perhaps you're on a break and don't want notifications from certain groups or individuals. Maybe you're part of a group that's too active, and the constant notifications are distracting. Or, you might have muted someone unintentionally. Whatever the reason, the good news is that unmuting is as easy as muting.
Steps to unmute a contact.
1. Open WhatsApp. Start by opening the WhatsApp application on your phone. 2. Go to the chat. 3. If you have muted a personal chat, navigate to that particular chat in the chat list. 4. If you have muted a group chat, go to that group. 5. Tap on the contact group name. This will open the contact or group details. 6. Look for the muted icon. It's usually a speaker icon with a line through it. 7. Tap on the mute option. When you tap it, you will get an option to unmute the chat. 8. Select Unmute, tap on the Unmute option, and voila! The contact or group is now unmuted, and you will start receiving notifications for new messages. And that's it. A simple and straightforward method to unmute a contact or group on WhatsApp. I hope this video was clear and helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance with WhatsApp features, feel free to ask. Happy texting!